Hey guys, Smitty here with Just Piddlin Barbecue. Today we're going to do some chicken wings on the Ironwood 650. We've also got some cabbage going on the Ironwood 885. We're out here in the barbecue trailer. Got the heater going because it's freezing outside, but the heater's got it at 78 degrees in here, so it's a little bit warm. I've already cut up the chicken wings. I always like getting whole wings and then cutting them up myself. I don't know why, I just don't really like the frozen wing thing. But today's going to be a pretty simple cook. I'm going to put these in this pan. And I don't know, I've just got to where, get that little piece out of there. I've got to where I hate, it's kind of monotonous sometimes, having your wings and then seasoning one side. Look at that thing. That's a daggum monster. Seasoning one side of the wings and then turning all over the wings and then seasoning another side. So I'm just going to throw them all in this pan right here. Season the whole thing, toss them around, get them all over, get them coated, and then throw them on. Because I ain't about doing that today. This is Friday afternoon and I'm ready to relax, but I wanted to throw together a video too. Now for this, got a little DB180 that we're going to use, a little DB180. Basically salt, pepper, garlic type stuff. We're going to go up high and just get it all over. And it may look a little heavy, but keep in mind I'm going to toss it around pretty good. Cover that back up, and then let's go with a little Killer Hogs Hot. How's that, babe? That was pretty good. Brandy likes want to show the rubs really good in the shot. Get a little Killer Hogs Hot in here. One thing I forgot to do, but better late than never, is add a little bit of olive oil in there. Just to help bind everything together. Give everything a good coating. And you always want a little Guinness to go along with the wings. And now we're just going to toss everything together. Get all the seasonings worked in, get the wings coated good. I've got the Ironwood coming up to temperature, and I've got it set at 275 today. Normally I would cook at 225, 250-ish. But Brandy's hungry and I'm ready to get this show on the road, so we're going to coat it really good. I'm going to add a little bit more of this little Killer Hogs Hot over the top. And also at the end, Brandy kind of likes her wings dry, but I kind of like a little sauce on mine sometimes, so I'm going to leave it half and half. But for mine, I made some barbecue sauce the other day, but I made it into a hot barbecue sauce. So I might try that on these. Those look pretty good. So when the grill comes up to temperature, we'll get them on. Alright guys, it has been an hour and a half. After the first 45 minutes, I did cut it up to 300 degrees from 275 just to try to get the cook done quicker. But here are the wings, and they are hot. Seasoned with a little DB180 and a little Killer Hogs hot. But as I said, some of them I'm going to sauce, some of them I'm going to leave plain. We're going to put some of them in this dish over here to sauce up and give a try. One other thing that I want to make note of with the Ironwood is on the 650 at least, I put some of them on the top rack, some of them on the bottom rack. And the ones on the top rack seem to cook a little bit faster, so just make a little note of that. This is my barbecue sauce that I make, and the only difference is this time with some of it, I made it a little bit warm. I don't know if it's going to be hot, but... And the only thing I did differently is added a little bit of cayenne pepper to it. So I'm going to toss these around a little bit and then give these a try, see how they are. As soon as that sauce hits these wings, man, I can smell it right off the bat. Oh, that smells good. Makes my mouth water. Take that glove off. And let's try it and see what we got here. Let's give these a try. I'm going to try one of these flats first. I really probably like these better than the drumettes. They're still really hot, but good looking wing. Ooh. I'd pay for that anywhere. Bone slid right out. I can't quit eating that wing. That is something kind of good. Can you tell? Man alive. Hey, it ain't good if you don't get it all over your face. That is good. And the sauce with a little bit of heat on it, I like that too. The wing recipe turned out good, but use your own seasoning, make it your own. 275 for the first 45 minutes. You're going to keep it up to 300, I guess, for the other 45 minutes. So, hour and a half total cook time. Turned out perfect. Again, great wings. Make it your own. Let me know how you do it. Send me some pictures. Try it out. If you like this recipe, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, please. We appreciate it. Till next time, from the barbecue trailer, we'll be piddling. See you.